What's going on, guys? I think it's time I make a tutorial how to convert your headlights into LEDs for your Genesis Coupe. What you're gonna need are some common tools. A drill with a 10mm, wire cutters, a plier, electrical tape, some couplers, and your LED lights. This is your 881 fog light, 1157A amber, and your HL1 and your H11 LEDs. So let's get started. So you got two 10mm bolts here and here. So let's do it. Nice. It's one. And two. Okay. There. There. What I like to do is grab right here and just kind of tug it a little bit. Just like that. Okay? And just be careful right here. One. Two. Okay. Now, you're gonna have to take your needle nose plier and get this off. I don't know where this was connected, but all you gotta do is just pinch it and take it off. Also, my car, for the low beams, I had HIDs installed. Take that off. Right? And then here, this is where you disconnect the plug. And that's it. Okay, so this is the driver's side headlights. So the first low beam, take off here. Just pop it off. What we're gonna do, take off these connectors. This is off. Okay, so once you get those connectors off, in here, we're going to take off the LED. Let's twist it off. Sorry, the HID. And we're going to take off the connector plug. Right there. As you can see here, this is the difference between an HID and an LED. Once you get that off, we're going to remove the three screws here, here, and here. So once you get the screws off, we want to get this tab off the metal piece. So right here, you're going to take your flathead and kind of just dig it right here. And while you're doing that, simply pull it off. Once that's off, we're going to screw this back on here. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to take your scissor, and you see this blank tab right here? We're going to cut that right off. This is what the end product will look like. With that done, put some electrical tape around the wires. Next, we take our H11 bulb. Okay, so that's locked. Attach the two sides. That's it. Good. Lastly, your dust cap, you want to drill a hole because this is a fan and it's going to blow out the air. So basically, it's ventilated properly. And then you seal this in. And that's it. We are done. Now we're going to change our signal light. Signal light is the farthest, which is right here. Clockwise. Sorry, counterclockwise. Pull it out. Okay, so you just want to push in, push up. This is our old bulb, and this is our new signal light bulb. And it's simple process, guys. You can just easily take this twist it on, and then we are good. Now we're gonna do the high beams. I decided to switch to my passenger side light, so high beams is gonna be in the middle. So we just twist this off, dust cap. Okay, so this part here, we just pull it. Sorry, let me, just like that. Okay. Here, there's a tiny little spring, so we just push down, pop it, then we pull this guy out. This tiny guy can produce, I believe it's 100 watts, and this is our LED. Take your wire cutter, right here, cut them off. This is gone. See you later. Now you have 2 wires. What we're gonna do is we're gonna strip them off. So that's how these look like. I went ahead and connected one of them, but now I'm going to show you how easily it's done. So you're going to take one of these caps, these connectors, right? Push it right in, just like that. Next, you're going to take your pliers on this side and just crimp it on. It might be a little hard from this angle for me, or probably not. Yeah, and just crush it, just like that. It's one side. And you want to crush, oops, the other side as well. And you're done. And it's like a tight fitting. So now, just like that. Also, I like to put electrical tape here and here. One there, okay. This is the heat sink. Take the dust cap, twist it back on, we're done. Now we're gonna do the parking lights. The parking lights is right under here. All we do is turn this clockwise, pull it out. And as you can see, this is the old LED. It's simple, so we take this and we pull it out. We put in a new LED, just like that. And then we plug it back in and turn it clockwise. And we are done. Now we're just gonna close it. Now for your fog lights, there's an 8mm screw right here. Yep. And then underneath, take your star head. Right, yeah, this guy. Then screw it. Whoops. Before I just pull it out. This one here. I already got the other one. Right. Once you get those off, you can just pull this right here. Yep. So inside, there's a connector right there. All you gotta do is put your hand. Okay, nice. You just gotta press the 2 tabs. Anyways, this, you turn it counterclockwise. Then you pull it out. The old connector, new one. Okay. All you gotta do, that hole right there, same thing. Push it in, clockwise. Once you get that back on, put these guys. Just take your connectors, push it back in, done. Done. There you go. Oh man, just look how gorgeous these lights look. I can't wait to be driving this at nighttime. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so, and I'll see you in my next video.